So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Artificial Intelligence Concepts and Technique week 4th assignment 4th. So the first question is which form is called as a conjunction of disjunction of literals. So these are the option conjunctive normal form, disjunctive normal form and unit clause. So the answer of first question is A, conjunctive normal form. The second question is the mathematical notation to describe logical entailment of a sentence alpha entail another sentence beta is. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B. Alpha is subset of B. Now the third question is which of the following option is used to build complex sentences in knowledge representation. So these are the options symbols, connectives, quantifiers, variable. So the answer of our third question is B, connectives. Now the fourth question is let L of xy be the statement X loves Y, where the domain for both X and Y consists of all people. Express the statement joy is loved by everyone. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is if f of x means x is my friend and p of x means x is perfect, then the correct translation of the statement some of my friends are not perfect is. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is let A, B and C be true, false and true respectively. Which of the following is true? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C. Now the seventh question is translate this in English considering the domain as a real number for both the variable. So these are the option and the answer of our question is B. For all real number x there exists a real number y such that x is greater than y. Now the eighth question is negation of the proposition this is. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is D. Now the ninth question is what is the key idea behind resolution? So these are the option. It is a refutation, complete interference procedure. It is a method to prove the truth of a statement. It is a way to convert sentences into conjunctive normal form. It is a type of logical connection. So the answer of our ninth question is A. It is a refutation, complete inference procedure. Now the tenth question is what does the empty clause signify in resolution? So these are the option a true statement, a false statement or contradiction, a valid statement and indeterminate statement. So the answer of our 10th question is B, a false statement or contradiction. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.